just finished my last day of work ever. Of course, our headgear needs to go on top. Guys. All right, we leave in a few hours and I'm still packing, so we are down to the wire. Guys, it's Jessica here at my stay-at-home journey, and I am going to be sharing a packing video today for our trip to Walt Disney World. If you're new here, I am a full-time working mom currently, but in literally 3 days, I will be done working at my full-time job in the schools as a speech therapist, and I'm going to be trying the stay-at-home mom thing for a few years. But to kick off our summer, we do have a Disney trip planned. But today I'm just kind of explaining some of the park essentials that I think we're gonna need for our family of 4. We have an 8-year-old daughter, and then we have a 5-month-old daughter. So the baby thing is new for us. We've never gone with a baby that young. So here we go. This is my favorite. I love packing. I'm one of those people. So the first thing I am worried about is my park bag. We are actually going straight into the parks after we land. We land very early, so we're going straight to Epcot. So I kind of want to take my personal item that I can bring on the plane. I'm going to have as my book bag, which is also going to mostly be my park bag for the day. But one thing I did this trip to kind of make things easier for myself is I'm using a bunch of just clear see-through bags because I'm gonna need to get stuff quickly, especially with the baby. So I'll go through quickly. The first little bag I'm bringing to the parks, it's very small. You can see compared to my hands, which are also very small, but just some first aid things. Our thermometer, tissues. This is full of Band-Aids and alcohol wipes. Then we have bigger Band-Aids and some wet ones here. I want to get a travel size Tylenol, and then I'll keep a couple other first aid things back at our room, but I'm just trying to get the essentials for when we're at the parks to save space. So for the baby, we're just keeping it very basic. She's 5 months old, so really if she has a clean diaper, if she's fed, she's good. Maybe a couple toys just to entertain her, but I think there's going to be enough to entertain her at Disney World. But yeah, this is just her little changing pad. I can store some wipes in there, so we're going to bring that. And then I'm just going to refill this each day with some diapers, some outfit changes, and I think that's about it in there. And then this one is kind of our miscellaneous bag of just things we might need at the parks. Ponchos. We're going in June. It's going to rain pretty much every day. You can almost bank on it in the summer in Florida. So we're gonna buy some ponchos, or buy some more ponchos actually, but keep one for each of us in here, other than the baby. And then we're gonna try these cooling towels this time. I have not used them before, but they had really good reviews on Amazon. So we might actually hook this to our stroller hook when we get there, but we're renting a stroller, so we can't do that till we get there. So we have one for all of us. There's one more that I was trying out, so I need to put it back in here. And then for both of my daughters, I have these ear protection for my daughters. This one's for the baby. I wish they folded up a little smaller, but and then my older daughter is she's sensitive to sound and things like that. So even though she's a little older, these just help her feel more comfortable for fireworks and things like that. And then an autograph book and some Sharpies. I'm so glad we're going to be able to do hugs and autographs. But we actually used this on our last couple trips, but there's about 8 empty pages. So we're going to try to use that, and if we fill it up and need another one, we can always buy one while we're there. I showed this in my prep video, but we're also bringing this fan. It's so nice. It hooks right onto the stroller. And then let me see, this is the fan. It has 3 speeds, and it even lights up. So I think at night after it gets dark, that's going to be really helpful too. My mother-in-law actually got me this as a gift before the baby was born, because we knew we were all going to Disney this year. She's coming with us too. But it actually just hooks to the stroller, and it's big It is heavy duty. I think it'll hold like any bags of things we might buy. I think it'll hold the book bag, or we can hook these on there if we need to get to them quickly. I think it's gonna really come in handy. And I'll leave links to everything that I can below in case you're interested in anything. A lot of it came from Amazon. So I kind of explained this in my last video, but we all just bought, my daughter and I bought these plain shirts from Walmart. I think hers were $4, mine were $5. They're a little bit softer and more fitted than some of the ones you can get at like Michael's or Hobby Lobby. And then I went on Etsy and found SVG files for everything I wanted. And then my mom kind of helped me print them all out and put them together, but it was so easy and not very expensive at all. So this is hers, this little Grogu shirt with the balloon. It's really green. It's not coming across quite the right shade. And then the baby has one too. They match. Okay, and then if you're an Ohio State fan, then you totally get this. If not, then maybe not. But my mom actually bought this for the baby before she was even born, but it's OHIO for Ohio State, all the princesses. So I am obsessed with this. So we made a matching one for my older daughter in like the opposite colors. So I cannot wait to get pictures of them in these. If you know, you know. These ones are our coordinated shirts for Animal Kingdom. My husband's kind of doing his own thing. I don't know, he's got like a Tiger King shirt. He's got all kinds of stuff going on, but I didn't make him coordinate with the girls, but I thought these were pretty cute. And then the 3 girls are matching again on our next Animal Kingdom day. I love these. And then we're matching again on our second Hollywood Studios day for our little Toy Story theme. Now I'm in my daughter's room. She's kind of in various stages of packing right now, but she is all about the bags and accessories, and she's very particular about what she likes. She's 8, so she's bringing 2 bags, and she's going to alternate which one she brings to the park each day. And then she's bringing this on the plane. It's got some crayons and colored pencils in it. She's gonna bring some stuff to color with her. And we found this at Walmart, but she is obsessed with the case. She has the cutest sunglasses inside. Okay, it is the night before we leave. And in here, I've got all the girls' clothes packed. My older daughters, the babies, socks and pajamas, and of course we need bows. And me and my daughter's matching monorail necklaces. Of course our headgear needs to go on top. Gus, we can't take you in our suitcase, buddy. I just finished my last day of work ever. Well, at least for the next couple of years, so I can focus on being a stay-at-home mom. But today is the day we're leaving for Disney. We're going to stay at a hotel tonight because our flight leaves super early in the morning, and we have about an hour-and-a-half drive to the airport. So I feel really good. I'm excited. I got to get into Disney mode. I got to finish packing. I've got a lot to do in the next couple hours. I came home to these beautiful flowers. My husband got me this beautiful arrangement to celebrate my last day of work. So sweet. All right, we leave in a few hours and I'm still packing, so we are down to the wire. But I fit pretty much all of my outfits on this side, and some pajamas, bathing suits, and then over here I have some loofahs and makeup. I got this bag at Target a few years ago. And then we're there for 9 days, so some of these things, the travel size just wasn't going to cut it. I like to bring like a full hand soap like this rather than a bar of soap to wash hands. I just think it's easier. Of course, sunscreen, conditioner. I have some glow sticks. That's always good so you don't have to buy the really expensive Disney light up toys. We'll bring that at night while we wait for fireworks. Oh, an extra pack of wipes. This bag just has a bunch of shower and bathroom stuff in it. I love the see-through bag. You can see exactly what's in here. Some swim diapers, and I just have a few more things. We're getting there. It's almost time to go. Oh, and I have, sometimes I wear these Nike sandals to the parks. They're actually pretty comfortable. And then shoes for the pool. And we're gonna go to Disney Springs one night, and I wanted to dress up just a little bit more. So that's when I'll wear those. I do have a lot more room in here, so I might just stuff a bunch of diapers in. I was gonna order some when we get there, but I don't know. I have quite a bit of space left, so we'll see. Oh, and then my outfit for tomorrow that I'm gonna put on really quick because our flight leaves at 5:20, I think. And then these will just a sweatshirt because my husband likes to keep the hotel room freezing, and then I always get cold on the plane, so I'm gonna wear this on the plane. We're almost done. All right, I crammed my last few things in there. I've got some camis, my pump, stroller fan, just some random stuff. As I was getting ready to post this video, I realized I never really closed it out. We were just really in a rush that day and trying to get out the door. So I'm gonna stop the packing vlog here, and the next video I'll post will be some highlights from our trip. So thanks for watching.